A special order is looking at exactly what you want on the vehicle, putting exactly what you want on the vehicle, from options to paint color, everything. You get a printout at the end, and that's exactly how the car is going to come in. And the beauty behind that is you get exactly what you want. And you're not going to pay for something that you don't want. Now, there are some packages and different things like that that help make the vehicle's price a lot better. So you certainly want to look at that when you're looking at a special order. But you get exactly the way that you want it. In a market like we're in right now, where inventories have never been lower, and people are buying cars that they don't necessarily want all those things that are on there. But if you've got a little bit of time, we can do a special order for you, get you exactly what you want, so you're not paying for something you don't. That doesn't make any sense to me. Get what you want. Pay for what you want, not for what you don't want. When it comes down to price on a factory order or a special order, it's always going to be cheaper than something we have in stock or a stock unit. Simply because you're ordering exactly what you want, not what you don't want. And when you're ordering exactly what you want, you're not paying for maybe a package that include things that you'll never use or you don't have any desire for. So you're always going to get a better price on a factory order or a special order than you will on a stock unit.